Uniform grains ensure clarity. Material is held under control. Every batch is traceable. Glass requires balance. Inputs are aligned. The environment stays stable. The batch is ready to move. The journey to glassmaking begins. Every load is verified. Integrity is maintained in transit. Material approaches transformation. Entry is controlled. Flow is directed. Conditions are equalized. Cleanliness continues. Order precedes unloading. Position is exact. Authorization completes the step. Transfer begins. Movement is continuous. Storage is confirmed. Balance is achieved. Preparation is complete. The factory takes over.